welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for the month of June. So crazy, we are already into June, but we are into a new month of Boxycharm, so I will be showing you guys what came inside this month's box. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. My Boxycharm unboxings. I do these every single month here on my channel. It is a monthly subscription service that is $21 a month. You receive boxes that have 4 to 5 full-size items inside of them every single month. I will have my link down below if you guys want to sign up, but let's go ahead and see what came this month for June. Okay, so getting into our theme, it says that the theme here is going to be getaway, and then I have variation number 5. So I always like to let you guys know what variation I do have, and it says number 5. This looks like it's gonna be a good box. Off the bat, I am seeing something from Dominique Cosmetics, which is really exciting. I really love her eyeshadow palettes. So I'm assuming this is one of her lip glosses. I haven't tried these out yet. So the shade that I got is actually Peach Tea, which I think is really exciting. So here is what it looks like. The price on this lip gloss is going to be $17. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I'm actually really excited to test out this formula, because I was actually really interested in these and then I just never ended up picking them up. But here is the color right there. It actually smells really good. It smells like vanilla, but that's a really pretty just like nude shade. I love like peachy lip glosses, so this is actually right down my alley. I really like that. Next in here, I see something from Dirty Little Secret. I have tried some of their products before. It looks like we got a lip liner. Actually, it looks like this one will work pretty well with this lip gloss. So the price on this lip liner is going to be $15. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. So it is just like a wooded pencil, but it actually goes perfectly with the lip gloss, like a little bit darker, which is how I like mine. It's a full-size lip liner, so it's pretty large actually compared to like the half-size ones we normally have. So I'll have to try out this formula. I've tried some lip products from Dirty Little Secrets, but I've never tried out their lip pencils, so I'm not exactly sure, but I do like wooden pencils, so we'll see how that one goes. All right, so the next item I see in here is actually a item from Touch in Sol. We got a primer from them previously, and I actually really like the primer. I use it all the time. So this is their No Pore Blem primer. So this one is actually, I believe it's their like water primer. I've tried this one before. I've gotten like a sample in one of my Ipsy boxes, and I do really like this. So here is what it looks like. It's actually just a primer, and it literally drops out kind of just like water. So I'll show you guys, because I am going to use this because I went through my sample already. It kind of has just like a bit of grip to it, like a tiny bit, but it's very hydrating on the skin. It feels really nice. And I won't say it does like the most amazing job of like filling in your pores, but it definitely gives you hydration. It makes your skin just look natural underneath your foundation. So I do really like this one, and the price on this one is $23. All right, and then next up we have a highlight in here. So this is from Steve Laurent. It's their jelly highlighter. I have mine in the shade Cotton Candy. So it does have plastic on it. So let's pull this off. The price on this one is gonna be $26. So it actually definitely feels more like a cream. So I'll go ahead and swatch it so we can see. Ooh, wow, that's really pretty. Here is a swatch of it right there. It kind of reminds me of the ColourPop ones. Like it almost has like that like moussey texture to it. It's not like a full like jelly highlight. So I'll be really interested to see how this looks on the skin, but when I blend it out, it actually looks really pretty. You can see it right there. And then again, the shade I got was Cotton Candy. And then we have one last item in here. I think I said that one was $26. We have something from Tarte. This is a really good box. I don't think I won't use like anything in here. So I believe this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette from Tarte. The price on this one is going to be $36. Ooh, cute packaging here. Here is the packaging on this one. I'm not sure if this is an exclusive to Boxycharm or if this is one that's already been out. I'm not exactly sure. It smells like chocolate. I love the smell of their palettes. So here is the inside of it. You have a nice mirror and then all of these shades right there. I'll go ahead and swatch them all so we can see what they look like. Okay, so altogether this has 8 different shades in it. It looks like we have 4 different shimmers and then 4 different matte shades. Here are the swatches. They actually swatched pretty nicely, so we'll see how they perform on the eyes, but they look really pretty. I've had good experiences with these palettes from Tarte, like these round ones, and I've had bad experiences. I think it's the Rainforest of the Sea, like number 2, I didn't like. but I've had one other palette from them that was like this that I do really like, so I'll have to try this one out and let you guys know what I think. But I'm going to go ahead and add up everything from this box. I can give you a full total on all of the products that we got. So altogether, this box is $117, so it's not our highest value box, but I do think it's a really, really nice box. I think we got a lot of really great products in here. Again, I'm going to use every single one of these, which I can't always say that for every single month. I'm really excited about the Dominique Cosmetics lip product because I've never tried her lip products, and I've heard good things about these. The palette looks really pretty. The lip liner is something I'll use. Definitely the highlight looks nice, and I really like that primer. So I think that this is all over a good box. If you do get your Boxycharms, let me know down in the comment section what you get inside of your box, or if there are a different variation that you guys are interested in, let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, as well as don't forget to subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.